Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. It is so good to see you here today. My name is Ranita and I like to do makeup tutorials, reviews, swatches, all things makeup related. I also get into lifestyle content and mental health. So if you're interested in all of that, I would love if you could subscribe. Today what I wanted to do was another makeup look. In one of my videos I actually mentioned that I wanted to kind of do a lot of looks with my single eyeshadows, mostly because I haven't really had the opportunity to really do that. And these are all of the singles that I basically brought from the US. These are Multichromes, and I'm pretty excited because I really do want to play around with my collection and just use what I have more. So I think today we're going to be going in with Clionadh. Those would be the, squares right at the top over there. And I'm probably going to be going in with a couple of matte shades from Simply Posh Cosmetics. So let's do a fun look today. I'm really excited. This over here is the Simply Posh Cozy Cabin Holiday Edition palette, and I really loved the mattes in this palette, so I felt like these would go so beautifully with some of those Clionadh shadows. So we're going to be using mattes from this palette, and I'm going to be pairing it with Clionadh today. And if you'd like to pick up this palette, I do have a code. It is Ranita, and you can get 10% off. It is an affiliate code, which means that I earn a little bit from that. The first thing I'm going in with is this Alter Ego eyeshadow base. It has a wand. It's really like one of the best, bases that I've ever used in my life, and I feel like it's just excellent even in humid climates and stuff. It just makes your eyeshadow stick, and that's exactly what I need today. So I'm going to start by just applying it wherever I want the eyeshadow to really be. Usually the crease of my eye is where the eyeshadow always will kind of get a bit messy, so that's why I'm deliberately doing a nice coat of this right there. You can see that it's a little tinted, but I don't mind. I think that this is really an excellent base. Alright, so we have the eyeshadow base sorted out over there. So I'm going to be going in with really deeper shades today. And then we're going to go and put a really beautiful Vibrant Multichrome on my eyes. I think we're going to do Chimney today, and we're going to do this one over here, which is Snowfall. So I wonder how your Black Friday sales actually went. Did you, manage to get any good deals? I actually had quite a bit of fun, even though initially my excitement for Black Friday was not really there, because I was thinking and then I ended up finding that 15 cents eyeshadow by BH Cosmetics, and I was so excited about that. I really was. That was really such an awesome deal by BH, and I'm really hoping that these eyeshadows are going to be good, because that's going to make it even sweeter. Okay, yeah, I think this should do. I really like that. Taking it and doing the other eye. And I also found from Base Blue Cosmetics, and I had posted this on my Instagram because I think it was too late to do another Black Friday video, and I just didn't really want to do like a whole video dedicated to just like one thing. So I just decided to post it on my Instagram. So Base Blue Cosmetics was actually selling their floral eyeshadow palette for like $4, and I thought that was so awesome, because I've always wanted to try that brand, but I feel like sometimes if you don't know how a brand performs, or you're just not really sure of them, you don't want to spend too much money on them. And I think that was my feeling with Base Blue Cosmetics. Yeah, Base Blue Cosmetics. It's not a brand that I've tried before, so I'm actually pretty interested to see how the products from there are going to be working. That should be fun. Okay, so I got this done. I'm going to now go in with Snowfall, which is a very pretty peacock kind of blue. I'm just gonna put that around here. Obviously these are not like the main colors for this look. I'm just kind of trying to get some pretty mattes onto my lids. And we may actually need like a lighter shade there, so I'll probably go in for that, because this is not like the final thing. We do have to go in with some multichromes. Okay, so taking more of Snowfall. This is a very pretty peacock blue. I really do like this color. I feel like sometimes I'm in such a rush to get all my content up that I don't really get to fully enjoy the content that I have. But I'm really, really happy with this palette by Simply Posh. It was so much fun to play around with. And I do like the matte shades from Simply P in general. Okay, so I think that should do it. It's becoming... Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing like for this look. I'm just going along with whatever seems to be right. If it turns out terribly, that's going to be sad. But anyway, let's go in for a lighter shade right there for the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with Stalking. Stalking is a yellow. I'm going to take that and just tap that very lightly over here. And so the thing about that alter ego base, you can see it kind of leaves behind a little bit of a residue. So it's really nice if you're kind of working to cover all of this up. But if you're kind of like me and you just want to blend, you know, without doing too much work, I think I'm probably going to have to go back in with my NYX mixing medium because I don't really like the residue there. Okay, so I'm just going to gently try filling this up. I don't want it to kind of blend too much with that blue because then it's gonna look really, really messy. I will have to go back in and clean that up, I think, because it's not really looking nice, right? It kind of looks terrible over there, so we'll clean that up later. What I'm going to do is now go in with that Multichrome and we'll see how this is going to look. Okay, so this is the shade that I'm going in with next. I know it's super vibrant, but I kind of want to see what this will look like. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I wasn't expecting that color at all. Kind of just looks magical, doesn't it? Holy crap, that's beautiful. I was not expecting that. I'm just gonna add even more of that now onto my lids. So it kind of looks like this orange shade when you actually look at it in the pan, and then you actually put it on your lids, it transforms into this gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Like, I don't even know what this shade is. It's so pretty. It's like a gold green shade. I can't even see the orange anymore. Wow. So this is, I think, one of the Vibrant Multichromes. I'll put the exact name on the screen, but I'm so impressed. Wow. I was really, really not expecting that, but it does look orange. And then look what it looks like on the eye. That's so fascinating, isn't it? Okay, let's do the same thing here. Oh wow, this is it's very, very smooth on the eyes, and I did apply a new coat of the Alter Ego eyeshadow base before I did this. So I'm just taking this into the matte because I don't really want it to like not look like it's not blended and stuff. But this really, really looks so incredible. I can see gold, yellow, and green on my lids. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this so much. I just need to go and like kind of clean up my eyes a bit, and then I think the look will be ready. This is the Woosh Beauty face palette, which I also brought with me to Malaysia. So you can see that there are these two things here called the blenders. This one actually looks very similar to my skin tone. So usually like when I need to clean up a look, I just take a poofy brush and I get some of the color onto that brush. And then I go to those areas that need, you know, to be cleaned, and I apply them there. So you can see there's a little bit of that there. So I'm just going to go and tap right on it to kind of just make it blend in a bit better with my skin. So that's one way that you could do this, and the other way is by just using a Q-tip to, you know, kind of clean up the area with some micellar water and everything. But I haven't gotten my micellar water yet here, so I'm kind of just doing this. I'm sorry, one of my cats has asthma. Poor thing's having an attack right now. It'll pass though, we do have medication for it. Angel, are you okay? So it's really, really sad when, even with the medication, you know, they still kind of struggle. But one good thing is that being in Malaysia, the veterinary fees are nowhere near as high as what it would be in the US. Like, nowhere near as high as that. Anyway, yeah, you can kind of see how I'm using that to kind of just blend out my makeup a bit. Yeah, I think that this should do. I mean, you can still kind of see a wee bit of it there, but it's not significant enough for me to be like so displeased with the whole thing. So I'm just gonna let it be as it is. But the shade is so incredible. It really is. It's beautiful. What I'm gonna do is I'm also going to just go back in a bit with Simply Posh and just blend a bit there, just to kind of make that a bit more neat. Brush, and I'm just gonna gently add a little bit here and take it up a bit too. And also blend like this as I go along, because I just don't want it to be like a disconnected kind of thing. Let's go in for this side here. Again, I'm doing the same thing, taking it up a bit just to have a more good blend, I guess. Okay, yeah, this is looking perfect. Wow. Who would wear this for a Christmas party? I know I would, okay? Like, this is just so pretty. I'm absolutely in love with this. So you should be able to see the shift in color happening. Like, this is so incredible. You can see the green, the yellow, that beautiful yellow kind of gold. Wow, the shade is incredible, isn't it? Alright, I'm just grabbing my Catrice 20 Hour Ultra Precision eyeliner, and I'm going to be going in with that. This is the navy blue. I do like this eye pencil. It's just that sometimes it can break if you apply too much pressure. So yeah, that's gonna be the look and the colors that I'm going in with for today. Okay. So that would be one eye done. Sorry about that, my camera just stopped working because the space ran out. So anyway, let's go in for a beautiful highlighter now. I kind of feel like that's what my face definitely needs. So I'm going to be going in, I think, with the shade Almothea. This is a Terra Moon's shade, so it's that one right over there. Yeah, that one. Okay, so this is going to be a nice pink, glittery kind of look. I'm just going to put that right over here. So Almothea is actually pink and bronze at the same time, and that's why I really love this shade. I remember even when I was trying it the first time, I was thinking, wow, that's such a pretty shade from the collection, and it's got a very sparkly finish. So I'm just gonna add that to all the places that I want a little bit of sparkle. But yeah, this is basically, you know, the finished look. I just want to go and maybe get my earrings and another, you know, outfit on just to kind of match this, but I really love the way that this has turned out. Lip shade, yeah, okay, wait, we haven't actually finished. So now we need a lipstick. So this does have kind of like a pinky purple undertone, so I'm going to go in with Wild Orchid. This is from Majesty Cosmetics. And I'm just going to add a bit of that here. because I kind of feel like this kind of matches that purple right up there. This is really bright. Okay. Hey friends, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with the overall way in which this turned out. The shade's absolutely beautiful, so I will say that the texture of it on my eye does feel a little flaky. If I just come in here, you'll probably be able to see a little bit more of that texture, you know, just showing up over there, but you do see pretty strong shifts in this color. The only thing about this is that I'm not seeing the orange as strongly. It's only like in certain angles that you really see the original orange shade that I showed you on my brush showing up. So I kind of wish that orange, I could capture that orange a bit better, because I know it's there, like I'm seeing it, but not as much as, you know, I thought it would actually show up. So this actually looks orange in the pan, like I said before, and then like when you actually put it on your lids, it turns into this beautiful gold kind of green shade, and it goes so well. So I kind of feel like I created this peacock kind of look without even realizing that I was creating a peacock look. I wanted to show you the dress that I wore because, you know, it's kind of like a get ready with me makeup thing. So this is the dress. There's not that much space here, but yeah, you can kind of see what the dress is like. It's a very old dress. I think I've had it for 10 or 11 years, and I did wear it when I was I think, how old was I? I think I was 16 or 17 the last time I wore this. So it's actually kind of loose on me. Doesn't really fit anymore. I was a different size back then. But anyway, I hope you had fun doing the get ready with me. I have many hanging earrings like this. I used to love earrings when I was younger, and you know, I just collected and collected and collected. So ignore the mess because I have not actually had time to go through like every single thing here, but all of these over here are earrings. And it's the same thing on the other side, but I can't, I'm gonna find it a bit hard to do that, so I'm not gonna open it. So you got to see how I stored my earrings as a teenager, but anyway, I still have so many earrings from that collection. I still really love earrings. I don't think I'm gonna be buying a lot of fake jewelry anymore though, because I've come to that stage where I kind of just want to invest in, you know, real stuff, and I just want quality items and everything. But I'll wear these as long as they last, you know, because they're beautiful. Like I have so many like this because I really enjoyed hanging earrings. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you today, and I hope you had fun doing the tutorial with me. If you need any of the makeup details, please go and check back, because I basically was telling you exactly what I was using as we were going along. But yeah, that's all for today. I'm really happy with the look, and I will see you soon for another video very soon. Lots of love to you. Bye bye.